I'm your only option to make money in 2026. Facts, because nobody else is online currently giving you what you should be having. Y'all have no other choice but to conversate and listen to me now. You all know in the United States, once Christmas is over with, the consumer allocation or the thought that the consumer is important is over with. And then New Year's, that's when y'all gonna drink y'all problems away. That's just traditionally. This is not gonna be your regular degular traditional outcome after you the winning dip for the holidays. Then you looking forward to bounce back with your refund check. We're in different territory, which is uncharted waters for you all. We got major things that's going to take place that are going to spearhead us evolving so rapidly fast to ensure that our infrastructure is up to par with technology. The circular economy is in full swing starting January the 7th of 2026. That would be on a Wednesday. And everything that you all trying to do, everything that you think you know when it comes to making money, is all based on a linear economy allocation. The United States going to be fast forward prepping so we can be in line from a global perspective to take on the World Cup of 2026. That's why in April the 1st, forget April Fools, but April the 1st is the embark of new beginnings, the new year. You all gonna start seeing a lot of stuff coming to light to you all. That's gonna be like it just came out of left field. So by the time June come, July come, around about that time when the World Cup going on. See, our goal is not the World Cup, is to be sustainable and self-sufficient to not only take on the World Cup, but to also make ourselves a powerhouse from a digital standpoint and to embark to be ready for the influx that's gonna happen in 2028 when we embark on taking on the Olympics. So you all not taking none of this stuff into consideration. And the only way the United States of America can move at that rapid pace because we are light years behind when it comes to infrastructure being infused with technology is that we have to move to a circular economy approach, right? Because we were too depth driven. Everything that you've known from a traditional standpoint when it comes to consumers and consumers' ability to make money has all been about saving and things of that nature. All that shit is over with, folks. So now's the time y'all to ask y'all questions. It's time for the adults to open y'all minds and realize what is going on right before y'all eyes. A lot of y'all finna go into that New Year resolution bullshit like y'all always do every year. So you're gonna do this, you're gonna do this. Next year's gonna be your year. And even in a traditional linear economy system that been around for at least 250 years, your ass couldn't fucking figure it out. Like literally, you couldn't figure it out because you're still struggling right now. So I know y'all prompting y'allself and gearing up for those dumbass New Year resolutions again. They're gonna always revolve around health, getting in shape, and calling yourself making money. The avenues that you once have do not exist no more. It's over with for that. If anybody's trying to tell you about making money, investing, they're not speaking from a circular economy perspective. They are leading you down the wrong path. The only illusion why this stuff still existed as if it was still a booming linear economy allocation because they spearheaded you all into what's known as the sandwich generation. Don't believe none I say. Fact check me in real time. Call me out my bullshit if you think I'm bullshit. And none of y'all will be able to do that because I only talk facts. And I only talk about stuff that I know y'all don't know about because y'all would not go and become a accredited investor. So you can have a full 100% disclosure about transaction and things that transpire because everything is a business. And who finance business on the public side and on the private side, accredited investors and higher. So we're talking about the accredited investor, the qualified purchaser, the qualified institutional buyer. That's who funded and who make the policy, the lobbyists, which is another thing I kept telling y'all to go become. So y'all have no earthly idea about nothing. Y'all online listening to these social financial influence don't know nothing about nothing. What is your game plan to become financial fit? Don't get scared. We're adults. You grown. You all see that where it got pens at the ebook and the digital book. Go get one of those. All right. Y'all already to fucked yourself up spending all this money during the holiday season. I came to y'all in August, said, don't spend no money. Don't finance nothing. Don't do none of this stuff because y'all gonna need every aspect of what y'all deem as liquidity y'all need to transition into the right money. What y'all did, y'all went and put yourself in debt and think y'all gonna bounce back with a refund check. The worst thing the government can do right now is on top of y'all getting a refund check and giving y'all extra money, like $2,000. Like that's the most dumbest thing they can do right now. And if they give that to you all, y'all should know that they don't give a fuck about that monetary system because the only thing they're going to do is overly inflate it. Inflation been moving on average since the pandemic at what, teetering between 6 to 8%. Y'all wage might have went up, what, 3 to 5%. So inflation is still outperforming y'all wages. So that means that you still anywhere from 2 to 3% under when it comes to your purchasing power. And the next thing they think is going to be the best solution is to give you more money. See, they know y'all are idiotic or y'all have a sense of non-financial literacy when it comes to these things. And y'all think the more money that they print or create to give to you, you are not investors. What is y'all first mind set to do? To pay out debt. When you pay out debt, that means you're doing a consumer transaction or to go buy and purchase products and services, which means what? You're doing a consumer transaction. You all don't know how to invest. So what is that going to do to you all? Soon y'all flood the market. Y'all think prices are high now, prices gonna skyrocket even tenfold. Because the one thing y'all really not dealing with, you're really not dealing with inflation. You're dealing with that $6 trillion that was injected onto the balance sheet of this country from 2020 to 2022, which it's impossible to correct that or to fight that from you, the people standpoint, because you didn't create that, because you don't own that balance sheet. It's just like you coming telling me that you can control my assets on my balance sheet. How can you do that? It's impossible. So the inflation aspect is an illusion. That's why the stock market been performing opposite of what it would traditionally perform in this type of apparatus that we have that dealing with inflation. Because if it were really truly just inflation that causing these type of negative standpoints of purchasing power, we would be in what is known as hyperinflation because of all the major layoffs and unemployment that's going on as well too. Because when you got traditional inflation, then you got the amount of layoffs that we are having in this country that trigger what is known as hyperinflation. As you can see, we're not in that, right? If you think I'm BS, you think I'm bullshit, fact check me in real time, prove me wrong, then bring your ass on the stage and lay it out. You all need this because y'all don't have no accredited investor or hire at y'all fingertips. Okay? Y'all need that doggone ebook right there. It might be the last time you get a chance to purchase something to change your purchasing power and also put you in a great place. But until you all get to that point, which I don't think none of y'all will ever get to that point because y'all not even bold enough to get on here, have a conversation with me and just talk about the stuff. All right, because y'all too proudful. You know what pride gonna get you in a financial, clusterfuck at the bottom of the barrel, at the bottom of the fucking barrel. At some point, you all got to really take into consideration. Y'all been watching all these famous social financial influencers been consuming their content since forever, for ages, but been heavily doubling down consuming their content since the pandemic. And what have happened to your financial situation? It ever got worse, 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 and worse. So obviously, what they telling you and what you think is the truth is purposely done to you in a way to have you think that it's like that, but it's wrong because you're still struggling. It's no way in the world that in this time, this is the greatest time that everybody to have access to all the financial information according to the financial influence and according to you all, feeding the algorithm and watching that dumbass, poo ass, garbage ass shit. No time in the history of the United States of America has the regular people been this exposed to quote unquote the real financial information, and people are more broke than ever before versus back then when the information was hush hush. Make it make sense logically. So I'm inviting you all, come on here, ask your questions, let's have a conversation, or go get that ebook or that digital book. And I'm telling y'all to go get it, but you'll never see me on no ad. I only come and tell you all this on this channel because I ain't stupid. I'm not ignorant. I know the backlash that come when you got somebody in my shoes coming telling the have-nots. Because that's the way you all are looked at, the have-nots, on how to, correct themselves.